Ready to broadcast your voice to the world in real time? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to go live on TTT Radio Network, whether you're a DJ, a podcaster, or a host with a vision. I'm DNA, the owner of TTT Radio Network. We make it simple to host, manage, and go live from your own internet radio station, all with a few easy steps. When you go live, you build real-time engagement with your listeners. It's great for interviews, breaking news, or live mixes. It helps you build energy, a community, and brand loyalty. Let me show you how to go live. First, log into your TTT RN Dashboard. You have your username and password in the onboarding email. Once you're here, scroll down and click DJs. Whatever DJ is gonna go live, you're gonna wanna select Edit. Under connection parameters, where it says SAM Broadcaster, this is the information you're gonna need in order to go live. Your server name, your port number, your stream password. Copy this info. You're gonna need it for your broadcasting software. Now that you have your broadcasting details, it's time to set up your broadcast software. I recommend and use B.U.T.T. It stands for Broadcast Using This Tool. It's free and is lightweight. I'll leave the download in the description. Once you download it, open B.U.T.T. Select Settings. Under Server Settings, select Add. Name your server. Select Shoutcast. On TTT RN Dashboard, your server IP is gonna go where address is. Then enter your port and your password and select Save. Make sure your mic, mixer, or DJ setup is selected as your audio source. In order to do that, select Audio, and under Primary Audio Device, click the drop down and select your interface. I'm using the Rodecaster Pro 2, so I'm gonna select Rodecaster, and my main output is 1 and 2. If you're using a controller like the SRT 1000, you're gonna select it as an audio device, and your left and right channel is gonna be 5 and 6. You can close the settings. Once you connect, you'll know. In order to connect, you gotta press this play button and you'll know you're live when it turns green. And there you are, we're live. Your stream is now broadcasting worldwide in real time. Let's test it out. In order to test it out, I'm just gonna go back to the TTT RN Dashboard. I'm gonna select Home, Main, and you can see right here up top, it says DJ DNA, DJs online. If you select this play button, you can hear the stream. In order to test it out, I'm just gonna go back to the TTT RN Dashboard. I'm gonna select Home, Main, and you can see right here up top, it says DJ DNA. And it's that simple. Always test your stream before showtime. Have a playlist ready as a backup. Use a countdown timer or a social media post to build hype before going live. Also, use a second device or an iPad to monitor your stream quality. Going live is how you connect, build loyalty, and stand out. TTT Radio Network makes it easy and powerful. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, and if you're ready to go live, contact us today at tttradionetwork.com. In our next video, I'm gonna show you how to add music using FileZilla. See you there.